Imagine a house that doesn't just stand on the sand, but truly becomes part of the tropical beach landscape. A house that listens to the sound of the waves, feels the ocean breeze, and embraces the trees that grew before it was born. This is Sandhouse, the visionary work of Studio MK27, redefining the relationship between architecture, people, and nature. Located on the coast of Itapiroca, Brazil, Sandhouse is more than just a building. It is a manifesto for sustainable living, a design that blends with the landscape, not disrupts it. Every horizontal line, every natural material, is designed to harmonize with the sand, water, and native vegetation. The house consists of 5 separate wooden volumes, each like a small capsule housing a different function, from the living room to the kitchen to the bedrooms. All these volumes stand on long wooden decks that connect them to each other, like natural bridges that allow air, light, and wildlife to flow beneath. These decks are not just connecting spaces, but a manifestation of respect for the existing trees. Instead of cutting them down, the house accommodates the native vegetation. Tropical trees permeate the deck, creating natural shade and a cool atmosphere. In this way, the Sandhouse doesn't just stand in nature, it lives with it. Atop the entire structure, a eucalyptus pergola stretches. It's not a solid roof that cuts off connection to the sky, but a thin layer with gaps that let in sunlight, the shadows of leaves, and even raindrops dancing on the wooden floor. Every second, the house transforms, a stage for the drama of light and nature. The interior of the Sandhouse speaks the language of simplicity. Neutral colors, natural textures, and the use of large glass create a transparency that embraces the landscape. There are no rigid corridors. Instead, the spaces flow, inviting residents to move from the interior to the deck, from the deck to the sand, as if the walls were merely illusions. A swimming pool adds harmony, placed diagonally to break up the monotony. Its shape is organic, with soft lines that harmonize with the vegetation and the beach. In the evening, the water's surface catches the golden light of the setting sun, creating reflections that feel like a living painting. Sandhouse teaches an important lesson. True luxury is not about how much we control nature, but how deeply we connect with it. Here, architecture becomes a tool to strengthen humanity's connection with the earth, not to separate it. Harmony between wood and waves is more than just a title, it's a philosophy. An invitation to imagine a future where home is not just a place to live, but a bridge between people and nature. A world where sustainability is not an option, but a lifestyle.